Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanya and today the look that we are planning to do is we'll be doing something really light on eyes, and we will be highlighting our lips this time because since it's winter, so bold colors are totally in these days. So I thought why not to experiment with lips this time and keep the face and the eyes a bit lighter. So as you can see, I have wore a white top today and we'll be doing something bold on lips with it. Along with it, as you can see that I have already made a very high ponytail. So I'll be doing a very nice contouring also on my face so that my double chin it's not visible that much and I do not look that bad. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first important step that we will be doing before starting our makeup is to cleanse our face, tone it, and then to moisturize it, because I think these three steps are really very important before you start your makeup. So as you can see, I'm using this Himalaya Herbals cleanser to it's a cleansing milk. So I'm gonna be using this to clean my face, as there is not really any makeup on my face right now. So I just wanna clean it a bit so that if there's any dirt or dust or anything like that, then we can easily remove it. So I have taken a bit of it on cotton swab and I just clean it nicely. So as you can see, there was a bit of dirt on my face and a tint of lip balm. So I have removed all of it entirely from my face so that I can start it all fresh and I look all refreshing. So let's proceed towards the second step. Now the second very important step is to tone your face, that is to use a good toner to refresh your skin. So I am using this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda toner. So it says it's a bio cucumber and it has a pore tightening toner with Himalayan waters. So I have recently got this product from Nyx, so I just really wanted to try it out, something related to cucumber, because it's something which actually refreshes your skin. So I'm just gonna take a bit of it on the cotton swab again, and I'll just wipe it out everything. Let me tighten my pores as the product says, and I'm surely gonna give you the review of this product, whether I liked it or not, because I've recently started using it. So I myself want to know that how well does that work on my skin. So as you can see, I'm already done with my second step, that is toning. Now the third very important step is to moisturize your face no matter what you do, but it's very important that since it's winters and your skin gets really dry, and at the same time if you're going out in the sun, so you can still have tan on your skin, so it's very important to use a moisturizer which has a good SPF. So I'm using this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Cream. So it's a sun protection, it's a sunblock cream, and it has a dry touch. So guys, the only product that I swear by, whether it's winter, summers, rainy, any season, is this Neutrogena cream, because it is actually very good for the skin. I do not feel like I have put something heavy on my skin and it stays like for a really long time. So I'm gonna quickly be using this product. So as you can see, I've taken a bit of it, and it has 50 SPF, 50 plus SPF, which is very good for the skin, because it blocks the all that UV rays and everything to actually get inside your skin. So as you can see, I just quickly apply it on my face so that I can start off with my makeup. And since I told you guys that I'll be doing this nude look, so basically I always try to carry something nude when I'm going out in daytime. So as you know that even Valentine's Day is round the corner, and I'm sure you guys must be having the dates, and if not, then also you can just go out with your girlfriends and actually make yourself feel better. So it's never bad to do that. So I'm just gonna gently apply it on my skin. Let it just sink in. And guys, I really, I'm not even promoting. It's not a promotional video at all. But I really love this product. I mean, I'm not really a brand, loyal kind of a person. But if I talk about sun protection creams, then I have tried a lot of creams, but I think this is the product that I absolutely love no matter what. So as you can see, I have applied the cream on my face very nicely, and it's not oily, it's not dry, it's just perfect. So here I complete 3 of my most important steps, and let's just quickly move to the makeup.